This is how I clone or read NFC/RFID tags. So here I have these stickers made of, they've got little chips underneath them, which you can stick to anything and copy cards to. Here I have my Auckland Transport Hop card, so it's my bus card for the local area. And I also have my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which I use it on. But this app that I'm using should also work on any NFC capable device. So here I have NFC Tools Pro. So what you can do is you can read any card that's NFC or RFID. You can write to any card. You can do a lot of other things like copy a tag to somewhere else, and you can do a bunch more tasks. This is for the paid version, but it includes things like enable root access or call someone or change your display settings, so you can do anything with that. Alright, so what I'm going to show you is that when you I can clone this card, which I'll show you right now. If I tap it behind my phone, it NFC tag detected and it's read my details. So it's got my tag type, which you can copy and put onto another card. It tells you your type of technology. I don't think that's very accurate. It's got your serial number, your ATQA, and a bunch of other information which you don't really need. So this information can be used to copy your card anywhere. For the writing, which I'll show you on here, you can add different records such as like a text file, a URL, a social network, a video, an application, mail someone, call someone, etc. So just for me, I'm going to text someone. Well, I'm just going to put text on it. So let's just write hello user. That's what I've written. Okay, and there you go, it's right here. And you can actually do multiple, I'll do that as well. You can put multiple links in. So I'm going to type hello to. So now you have two different texts that will write onto this tag. So now that I've done that, it says it's 31 bytes, and if I approach it, there you go, write complete. That's how simple it is. And now let me just take this tag off. If I take this tag, just put it down, and now I've exited the application and I go into it. It should, there you go, it's read it, new tag scanned. So I go into that. Oh, I want my password. And there you go, it's read both tags, and this should work on any phone. What you can do is copy your tag. Okay, now there you go, did that work? Approach NFC tag there. Now there we go, it copied my card. I can confirm this works with credit cards as well, because it's the same kind of chip, and I've used it before, but I lost my card a while ago, so I can't actually show you a demonstration. Yeah, so thanks for watching, I hope this helps.